Live is an iGaming event for the entire iGaming ecosystem. We bring affiliates and operators and iGaming suppliers, tech vendors, game providers together in one place at one time. So it's really the whole gamut of the iGaming industry at one event.
IGB Live has been a transformational experience. The way that they've utilised not only the event halls but the waterfront, the dock edge, the immersive elements, really fully utilising the campus. So I think what IGB have done incredibly well is ahead of the event, they talked to all of their customers, all of their big key accounts, and what they really understood from people is actually how important the after hours experience is linked to the show itself, and will really be the backbone of what has become a very successful transition.
We ran very successful shows in Amsterdam, but really the heart of the iGaming community is in London. So strategically, it made really good sense to move it to London, to give it a London spin. And as you can see, this area is so beautiful, and I think a lot of people don't realise how gorgeous the dockside is. We have the boat here and we have this beautiful dock edge experience. We've been able to recreate IGB Live, but in a London way.